What it do, Jazzy Boos? It's Jackie here with Jazzets and all my subscribers. Hey, you already know what it is, but if you are new and not a subscriber, then you can go ahead and kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it's free. Yeah. Okay. Hey, y'all. Hey. Well, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the video. But I'm using a lip balm base from TKB. This is a soy blend, and I'm eyeballing it because I know, pretty much how much I need when I'm making individual custom balms for single orders. And this order right here is for an actual YouTuber that supports me, and she's since then gotten her order and left good feedback on my site. If you guys want to do so, you can go and read the feedback. But I put it into the microwave, and as you can see here, it's liquefied. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of drops of my monk fruit sweetener. I use less in my balms than I do in my gloss. Yes. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the flavoring that she chose, which was peaches and cream. And this is where I realized that I cannot use this bowl right here, because I initially used it just so you guys can see exactly what I was doing. But that's going to be a no-go. But I love these little tester bowls, because this is what I speak so highly of when I'm telling you guys to do your samples in that. But this is the bowl right here that I originally used because it carries heat. As you know, when you warm something up, the glass holds a certain temperature and it stays warm. And that little bowl that I was using, it didn't do that. You see, it got hard quick. So again, that is the reason why I prefer to use glass bowls, so it can carry the heat and it will not solidify before I want it to solidify. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and transfer that into this glass bowl, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it back into the microwave. And here I've already started putting it in the tube. And as you can see here, that it is wasting everywhere, because it is hard to do this from the back of the camera. Usually when I'm doing it, I'm not, filming it in the back of the camera. So this is for you guys. I'm going to go ahead with the show. Boom. Because what? I'm real, and you're going to see all these bloopers. But I put it all the way to the top, and then, I let it solidify. And I usually let it sit from 20 to 30 minutes, 20 but 30 just to make sure, because some days I do same day and ship them out, after I get them done, and I've never had any problems with them. And you guys didn't see, I don't know how I missed that little part, but I also use vitamin E oil. I put a drop of vitamin E just for the extra moisture, but you don't have to put that in yours if you don't want to. And I always keep an extra tube, and I just keep, when I have extra, I just put it in there, so it's all kind of flavors being one tube. And for these, I just would sell them for mystery balms. Yeah, people love those too, because it's just a different, all kind of flavors in there. Or I just put it, on my dresser, or sit it out for the boys, for them to use. I can't have my babies walking around with no ashy lips and their mama make gloss and lip balm. Ain't gonna happen. No, it ain't. But yeah, I clean them up, and put the lid on and make sure it's not sticky or anything. And that's pretty much it. And there goes your lip balms. And coming up, I'll show you some pictures of some more that I did. I used to do them colored, but now I just go with, the white. And I had males, starting to order them, and the customers were, we pretty much decided just to leave them white to make them, neutral, so any sex could use them or whatever. But anywho, enough of all that. So thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for more videos, because they coming, y'all. They coming, okay? And remember to be you, because only you can do it best. Peace. See you in the next video.